Are you looking to take your advertising to the next level? Look no further. Then TikTok's paid ads. Here are 15 advantages that make TikTok a powerful platform for your advertising needs. Firstly, TikTok has a massive reach, with over 1 billion active users globally, giving you access to a vast and diverse audience. Not only that, but these users are highly engaged, spending an average of 52 minutes per day on the platform. This high engagement increases the likelihood of ad interaction. TikTok also offers targeted advertising, allowing you to reach specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. This ensures that your ads are shown to the most relevant audience. Plus, you have the freedom to get creative with various ad formats, encouraging creativity and helping your brand stand out. With TikTok's algorithm favoring engaging content, there is a high potential for ads to go viral and reach a broader audience organically. You can also collaborate with influencers to enhance your brand's credibility and reach. And when it comes to tracking your ad performance, TikTok provides real-time analytics, allowing you to optimize your campaigns as you go. But that's not all. TikTok ads are cost-effective, making them more affordable compared to other platforms, especially for smaller businesses. Plus, the platform's immersive and entertaining environment helps boost brand recognition, with the capability to align your campaigns with trending challenges, sounds, or hashtags, making ads feel organic and relatable, whether you want to target a global or local market. TikTok allows you to do both, making it ideal for businesses of all sizes. And with a predominantly Gen Z and millennial user base, TikTok is perfect for brands targeting younger demographics. You can also take advantage of interactive features like clickable links, shoppable ads, and call-to-action buttons to drive direct traffic and conversions. And when it comes to credibility, TikTok ads can boost your brand's image, especially when combined with user-generated content or influencer endorsements. Finally, TikTok's platform supports both short-term and long-term campaigns, allowing you to adapt your strategies based on your goals and performance. By leveraging these advantages, businesses can effectively use TikTok's paid advertising to grow their brand, engage with audiences, and drive conversions. So why wait? Start leveraging these benefits and take your advertising to new heights. With TikTok today,